S. Gabriel B. He is the recipient of the Sub-Service Award, Bronze Medal, as an active member of the Body Bureau Club. Obispo Keith Rohan C. He is also a recipient of the Certificate of Recognition as a Best Manufacturing Process Layout during their work immersion subject in Yazaki Toys. Rasho Ermin James Gerard A. received the Best Presenters in their group research entitled Same Choices, Different Voices, Conformity in Teen Choices, Exploring the Reasons Behind Group and Individual Decisions at Calosa Academy, Calamba City. A certificate of recognition as Best Product Blueprint, Best Prototype, during